Tumble down the rabbit hole into Pandora's Manor, a sprawling colonial revival, recently restored and reinvented as an upscale bed and breakfast. Meet the roster of A-list designers who've each been given a bedroom as a fresh palette, and see how they've worked their magic to bring this home back to life and honor its classic American appeal.
Hi, I'm Tobi Fairley, and I'm an interior designer. I have been in design for 18 years. When this project started, Louise said, "Tobi, you have to be part of this," which of course, after hearing about it and who else was involved, I thought definitely want to be a part of that. Starting point for me is pretty much always fabric. The yellow, the black and white, played with that concept and that color palette first. It's kind of like day and night all mixed together, right? The dark of night and the sunshine coming in, and that's how I felt when I walked in anyway, with the beautiful windows that surround the whole room. I wanted it to feel like it was sunshine, whether it was daytime or nighttime. I love wallpaper. I love it, and especially in spaces like bathrooms. So it's small, there's not a lot of room to do anything, especially interesting with furniture or fabric. So the walls are the place to make the statement. And you're always gonna see with me either a graphic geometric print or some gigantic floral. And that's where I really picked back up on that sort of fretwork pattern that you see in the Greek key, but it's a little different. And it's so interesting, and I love how it looks in the bathroom. Bright, bold, and tailored is what we say about my brand, and I think that you can really get a feel for all of those things here. I definitely think Southerners know how to entertain and how to host guests in their home. It's one of my favorite things to do. So it was really easy to create a space for somebody else, the same way I would design the guest room in my own house. And thinking about what's going to be comfortable, what's going to be functional too. Function's a huge piece of my design. So having a desk where they could work with a laptop or write or eat if they needed to, have a place to sit down, to watch television or put your shoes on. And then just filling the bed with pillows and luxury so that when you get in there, you feel like you never want to get out. That's that Southern way of making people feel welcome and at home.